In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Discord account. I'll walk you through preparing your account, clearing any roadblocks, and completing the deletion, all in a simple, stress-free way. First, open Discord on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Before you can remove your account, Discord requires that you don't own any servers. If you do, you'll need to either transfer ownership to someone you trust or delete those servers. This is important because Discord won't let you proceed with account deletion until all server ownership is resolved. If you decide to delete a server, go to that server in your sidebar and open its menu. Choose Server Settings to access the controls for that server. Inside Server Settings, look for the option to delete the server. Click Delete Server, then confirm when prompted. Discord may ask you to type the server's name to confirm you really want it gone. Repeat this for any other servers you own. If you'd rather keep a community alive, you can transfer ownership from the same server settings area instead of deleting. Once all your servers are handled, you're ready to remove your account. Head to User Settings by clicking the small gear icon near your profile area at the bottom left. In the left-hand menu, choose My Account. This is where your core account controls live. Scroll down until you see the Delete Account option. Click Delete Account to begin the final confirmation. At this point, Discord may prompt you to confirm your password, and if you have two-factor authentication turned on, you'll also be asked to provide your code. These checks are normal and help protect your account from accidental or unauthorized deletion. If you notice that the Delete Account button is grayed out or you see a message blocking you from continuing, it usually means you still own at least one server. Go back, double-check your server list, and either transfer ownership or delete the remaining server, then return to My Account and try again. Once you confirm deletion, follow any final prompts and you're done. Keep in mind that account deletion is intended to be permanent, so make sure you've saved anything important before you proceed. That's it. You've successfully cleared your servers, navigated to My Account and deleted your Discord account. Take your time with each step and you'll get through it smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.